Next, we're going to see how to format data appearing on a worksheet, apply borders, shading, etc. We're going to select the revenue and expenses cell, and from the Home tab, we locate the cells group and click the Format command. Then we click the Format Cells options, and this pops up the Format Cell dialog box. We pick up the Font tab and select the font we prefer, for example, Verdana. "12 points and bold. We can also select a font color, for example, blue. And effects. That's subscript, superscript, let's keep it for the moment. Then we click OK. And here's the result.
Then we select the revenue cell and go to the Format Cells option. We click on the Fill tab to select a background color, let's say green. Here is the result. Notice this, in normal view, the grid lines are displayed. If we switch to the Print Preview by clicking first on the Files tab and then on Print, we can see that the grid lines won't be printed. We can print them if we want, but we're going to see how on another video.
For the time being though, we're going to apply borders to the cell that we want to print. So we're going to select this area here and navigate to the Format Cells option again. Then we navigate to the Borders tab, we select the style, we select the color, but we won't click OK yet. If we select Outline, the style and the color we've selected will be displayed in this area here. Now we can click OK to see the result. So, here it is.
We can apply a different color on every side of the border. Let's see how. We select the area we want to format and navigate to the Format Cells option. On the Border tab, we select a style and a color. We won't click the Outline button though, but these icons here. From this icon here, we can change the top border. A blue line will then be displayed. We select another style and another color. We select the bottom border. Then we select another style again and another color. And we click on the left border line. Finally, we select another style and one more color, and we click on the right border line. Then we click on OK, and here is the result. All these formatting options are available in the ribbon as well. Here in the font section, we can change the font, the size of the font, the color of the font, the fill color of the cell, the borders, set it to bold, italic, underline, and we can easily change the size of the cell increase it or decrease it if we want.
We have learned about font formatting, cell filling, and their outlines, which is enough for now. Cell formatting in Excel is a big subject and will require more than one videos.